Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to delete your search history on Facebook. Keeping your online activities private is crucial, and today we're going to walk through the simple steps to clear your Facebook search history. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This menu is where you can access various settings and features within the app. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive list of options where you can manage your account settings. Under the Your Activity section, tap Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores all your activities, including posts, comments, and searches. It's a useful tool for keeping track of what you've been doing on the platform. Now, choose Search History from the options. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent searches. Whether you've been searching for people, pages, or groups, everything is recorded here. To clear your search history, simply tap Clear Searches at the top of the screen. You'll be prompted to confirm that you want to delete all your search history. Tap Clear to proceed. This action will remove all records of your searches from Facebook's logs. It's worth noting that while this clears your search history from your account, Facebook may still retain some data for a period of time. However, this step ensures that your search history is no longer visible to you or anyone else accessing your account. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook search history. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and keep your online activities discreet. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.